Hi there. Welcome to Ray's Toolbox. Remember the Christmas tree that we made out of a scrap block of wood? The middle that we cut out of that made another project that I was kind of happy with. Let me show you how we did that. When we made these Christmas trees on the bandsaw, the cutout that we made kind of resembled another art project that would be nice for holiday season. We decided to make a light bulb out of it. After I realized cutting the first one that it kind of looks like a light bulb, the rest of them I kind of really made sure that I cut around the edges when I was cutting the Christmas trees, and took that scrap piece and put it on the router. I took that scrap piece and routed the edges down, made them kind of smooth. Didn't make them quite as smooth as I could have on the sander, because I thought these will probably be hanging outside. But if you want to make these for inside, just sand them a little bit. Not that big a deal. Not really hard to do. But like I said, I routed the edges down on them, and then it was just a simple matter of a little bit of paint. Before I painted them, I did drill a hole in the base of them, what would become the base. I thought, if we're going to hang these outside, we can put a wire or a string, twine, whatever the case, through this hole to hold them up to hang them from the trees. Next up, I just painted the base of them where the bottom of the light bulb would be. Just painted those a gray color. I know we could have used silver or gold or just any color you wanted, but I had gray. That's what I used. I painted 5 of them yellow. I painted 5 of them red. I had a light green paint that I painted 5 of them, and a light blue paint that I painted them. So after those were set up, they dried and they was actually ready to hang. After they all dried, I came up with a nice little side project, if you will. I don't think they look too bad, just for a piece of scrap that I was going to throw away. And speaking of that, just a piece of scrap I was going to throw away, started with a little block like this. So 2 projects for 1. That's pretty good. If you want to see how I made this, check out the link and take a look. I'd appreciate it. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you liked the idea. Hopefully you have an idea or 2 of your own. Give me a comment in the bottom. Let me know what you're working on. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.